everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder at tennisforthekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. So today we are going to make a leap year app in Python. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so let me just minimize the screen. Okay, perfect. So guys, this is... Oh, sorry. I can't see myself. So yes, guys, this is my leap year this code. But first, let's understand what is leap year. So leap year is basically in which we have 366 days. So how does this day come? So this is how every year we have 365 days, right? And after 4 years we have a leap year. How is that? So that is because, like, let's say let's see which is not a leap year. Let's see any 2012. Is it a leap year? Oh no. Then let's do 2013. Okay. So, for example, 2013 is not a leap year. Okay. So, in this year, we had 365 days, and basically, it's not exact 365 days in a year. It is 365.25 days. So, basically, I'll write this down and show you. 1 year is equals to 365 days, 365.25 days. Okay, so now, like, this 2 year is equals to 3 years, same, and 4 years, here we have 366 days. Okay, so you see, 1 year has 365.25 days. These commas are basically meaning that this is the same over here, this is the same over here. Alright, so basically we have 365.25 days in 1 year. So same over here. Then in the 4th year also we have 0.25. So when we add these 25.25.25.25.25 4 times, we get 1 whole day. So this is how we get a leap year, in which we have 366 days, and in February we have 29 days. Alright, so as we're done with this logic, let's get on the code, and then we'll understand more better and more in detail. So now we have have a variable input year, in which we are taking an input, enter a year, which should be an int type. Okay, so now this is the method 1. So in the method 1 we are going to use if conditions and with logic. Okay, so we are making our function is leap, and then inside that we are giving a if condition. If year divided by 400, the remainder that we get is equal to 0, or year whatever we give, we have to divide it by 4, and whatever we answer, the remainder we get is equal to 0, and year divided by 100, and whatever the remainder we get, it should not be equal to 0. I know this is a lot of complicated things, so let's do this in detail. Like everybody, like if you want to find out a leap year, what you would do? Any year divided by 4, right? So that's cool, that's great. So any year divided by 4, and we should get 0 as the remainder, right? That's what you do. So first let's get on this part of our if condition. So we have year divided by 4 and the remainder is equal to 0. Okay. So for example, we have um 2004 as our year. So if we divide 2004 by 4, the quotient that we get is 501 and the remainder that we get is 0. Okay, so this part of the if condition is correct, right? Now let's get on the second part. Year divided by 100 and the remainder which we get is should not be equals to 0. So if we divide 2004 by 100, the quotient we get is 20 and the remainder that we get is 4, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so now this condition is basically true, right? So basically this condition is if you get these both correct, this both, okay, so your so basically it would return true, otherwise return false. Okay, we have understood this part of our code. So now let's understand this part. Okay, so for this you should know what is a century year. Century year is basically which is ending with 2 zeros. For example, a century year is 1700 or 1800 or 1900, like this. Okay, these are the century years. Okay, now, for example, if we divide 1700 by 1700 by 4, we get the remainder as 0. We get the remainder as 0, but this code would print like it is a leap year. But if you look on Google, it is actually not a leap year. To solve this problem, we have to get another condition, which is the year should be divided by 400 and the remainder should be get 0. Okay, so basically this part of the if condition we can say is for the century year, and this part of our code is basically for which are not the century years. All right, so now as we have understood, sorry, one second. Yeah, so now as we have understood this much part of our code, like what is a leap year and what is a century year and what is this condition, now if we have got a century year and if any of this condition is true, basically if this condition is true, so it is straight going to return true. All right, but if this condition is false, it's going to go on this condition, and if it is true, so it is going to return true, obviously, right? And if both the statements are wrong, so it is going to return false. All right, so now we are doing if is leap input year. So basically if like whatever we are going to get we are going to get return true and false. So if we get true, it will print want it to print it is a leap year. Else if it is we get false, else so it is not a leap year. All right, pretty easy. Let's see some examples. 1700, it is not a leap year, which is correct. 1600, it is a leap year, which is also correct. This is also correct. So basically we are getting the answers correct. Let's get so this was a pretty cool trick. So now let's comment this and get on our second method. Alright, so method 2 is using the Python built-in method, okay, from the calendar module. So our Python has a built-in method for getting the leap year, that is this a leap year or not. So let's see how it is that. So to get that built-in method, or this method is from obviously like a class. This method is from the class calendar. So as we want to get the method, we want to use the method, we have first imported calendar. Now we are doing input year, input enter a year, obviously. Okay, now we're doing if calendar dot is leap input year, print it is a leap year. So basically our calendar module has a method is leap. All right. So if calendar dot is leap input year, basically this means that whatever the user has given us, whatever answer we have given here, if this is a leap year, then and this condition and this if statement is true, so it should print it is a leap year. Otherwise it should print it is not a leap year. So easy, right? Python has so many built-in methods, and it makes us so easy to do it, right? I hope you're having fun. Let's take the same examples. Correct. This is also correct. Let's take another one. Let's see the future. Okay, let's do it will not be a leap year. Okay, so for this in guess, let's just do 2050 for just in guess. It is also not a leap year. So this all is getting correct. So this was so much fun, guys, and I hope you have understood this very nicely. So yeah, thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video and comment down below if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Thank you guys. Bye, and I will keep on reposting such Python and fun coding videos. So bye guys. Damn! 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, snap!